Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial I'm going to take you through how you can acquire for yourself more views on your YouTube video with just a simple click. Well, so to do that, all you need to do is that you need to launch your web browser, preferably Google Chrome. Now once you do that, in your search engine type easy auto refresh, and now you click on that. Now what you need to do is to click on add to Chrome. So what happens is that it installs this extension onto your Chrome browser, and then you will click on add extension. Once you do that, you just wait for it, and then you receive a notification that it has been installed as an extension on your Google Chrome. Now get to the video you would want to acquire more views for. So as it stands, we have about 5 views, as you can see, for this particular video. So now I would have to go and then activate that extension I just installed. So I'll click on the auto refresh. Now at this point you need to indicate at what second do you want the browser to refresh. I'll keep it at 10 seconds and then click on start, then have this video playing. So now what happens is that after every 10 seconds this video will have to refresh itself. Now when this happens, it means you will be having an increasing number of viewership